Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session in series of learning the concept of C. Today we'll be going to talk about data type. Data type is a type of data to which it associates in the program. Data type is a type of data to which it associates in the program. In other words, we can say that it is used to declare a variable. Data type is a type of data to which it associates in the program. So generally we will be declaring a variable. Before of this video we were discussed about what is a variable, how a value will be assigned to a variable. Now let us take the example that I have given this variable. Now I wanted to use this variable in my program. So this variable will be associated to some data type depending upon the value what it is going to store in this variable. Right? Let us suppose that I wanted to give this 2. Right? It can be hold a value of 2 or else it can be of 2.3 or else it can be of a character. Right? Now this data type is going to tell the data to which it is associates depending upon this value. So in other words, we can say that it is used to declare a variable. What is the need of data type? Because it is used to declare a variable. Right? Now let's see how it can be. We'll see types of data types. The first data type is primary or fundamental data type. Primary or fundamental data type. Second is derived data type. The third is user defined data type. And in some textbooks like Balaguru Swami, in other authors, they are giving fourth category, which is empty data set, and it stands for void. VOID, void. That is also one of the category. So as we don't have any value here, I am not specifying. Right, now let's see what is primary. Primary data types are basically are into four categories: character, integer, float and double. And as per the size is concerned, integer can be a big number or integer can be a small number, and integer can be a very big number, right? So depending upon the number size, we can categorize the type of in integer. The same the case for float. Now let's see even the size of each data type. And before we'll see, let's see the second data type category, derived data types. And these are array, pointer, structure and union. These are what derived data types. In detail we'll see. And third category is user defined data type, which is type definition and enum. I'll make separate videos on this specified topics. Now let's see the data type size of each. Now char or signed char will take 8 bits of memory. The range of character is -128 to 127. Unsigned char, the variable can hold a value of character, then the memory will be given for 8 bits. Unsigned char 8 bits, and that is 0 to 255. The range is 0 to 255. Int or signed int, that the memory is 16 bits, and it is the major cases integer memory is 2 bytes if it is a traditional computer, and it will be 4 bytes if it is a typical computer. So nowadays we are using typical computers, so the size of integer maximum it will be 4 bytes of data or 4 bytes of memory is given for integer. If it is traditional computers, you can take it as 2 bytes. Now so it is 2 bytes, that is 16 bits, and most preferably or most importantly 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Okay, now this is what 1 byte is equal to 8 bits means. 8 bits means what in bytes? It is 1 byte, it is also 1 byte, and it is 2 bytes, and it is 2 bytes. In the form of bits it is 16 bits, in the form of bytes it is 2 bytes. In the form of bits it is 32 bits, and in the form of bytes it is 4 bytes. And look at the range of each data type. And float float is 32 bits, and the range of float is this: 3.4 exponential minus 38 to 3.4 exponential plus 38. Double for 64 bits, and this is the range: 1.7 e power minus 308 to 1.7 e power plus 308. These figures probably we will be asked to write in uh, gate examinations and in objective questions. These ranges are very important. And as far as programming is concerned, we'll take the data type into consideration. So uh, we should know which data type will store which sort of value. So this is about data type. Fine. Thank you all. Please share this videos to the one who are in need to know C programming. Subscribe this channel and share it. Thank you all.